In this video, we're gonna check if it is possible to install a GCam on the Xiaomi 17T. In order to check that, we're gonna go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to check if GCam can be installed. And for that reason, we're gonna go to search, and then over here we should be able to search for GCam. This is the app that I'm gonna use in order to check if we can find a dedicated GCam version for this phone. However, if there is no dedicated version and the phone is capable of having GCam in the first place, then we can get a GCam made for another similar smartphone. So let's open the app. We don't have to agree to receive notifications. And then over here we will see just in a second if our phone is compatible. There we go, we have good compatibility, so this means that we should be able to get the GCam. However, right now, dedicated GCam version for Xiaomi 17T is not available, so I'm gonna just tap on the request. So maybe in the future, if you're watching this video and check out by yourself, maybe there is already the dedicated version ready to be downloaded. In the meantime, since it is not available, we can go to GCams over here and we can try to find GCam made for another Xiaomi smartphone. So we're just gonna type Xiaomi over here and we should be able to find a bunch of different GCam versions for different Xiaomi smartphones. And we will try to find the latest version. Even here it is marked as the latest, so we have GCam 9.3, and let's see if we can find a newer one. There we go, it's 9.6, so there is even a newer one, and ideally we just want to find the newest GCam version available in here. Now since we are trying to, there we go, there's 9.7, since we are trying to get GCam that is made for another smartphone, this means that we might encounter some compatibility issues. So maybe not everything is going to work, maybe the app is going to crash now and then. I'm gonna actually get this one, so I'm gonna start downloading over here. We will be redirected to the website. There we go, it's for Poco X8 Pro. So I'm gonna download the app and we're gonna check if it is compatible. But like I said, as I was saying, it is possible that the GCam that I'm about to download will work partially. Maybe it's going to crash from time to time. Maybe some of the features are not going to work. So I'm just gonna see if that is the case. We're gonna check if it works just fine or not. Alright, there we go. We're gonna install the app. Of course, if you try to install it, then you might see an information that, there we go, that this might be a risky app, or maybe that you are trying to install an app from unknown source, which is of course the case if you are trying to install any app that is not from the Play Store. So you will need to grant your browser the permission to install apps from unknown sources. Alright, so once we have the app installed, we're gonna open it. Of course, we need to grant all the necessary permissions. Location is not necessary. There we go. And let's see if it's going to work. So we can see that the preview works just fine. Let's see all of these different modes. We have the portrait mode, we have the night sight, panorama, and photosphere as well. Let's go back to the photo. Over here we have some settings that of course you can check out if you want to. I'm gonna just take a photo to see if it works, if it saves, and yes it does. We're gonna switch to the front camera, and the front camera seems to be working as well. Here we have some additional settings like the focus over here, which you might be able to use. I don't think there's any issue with that whatsoever, so that's good. And let's also check out the video mode. So immediately, using the full HD resolution, I'm gonna start recording just for a short while to see if it works, and it seems that it does. Let's use the front camera as well. The front camera seems to be recording as well. That's great. We can check out settings. Over here we have two resolutions, Full HD and 4K. There is apparently 4K 60 frames per second, so there's also more settings of course if you want to check out, but let's see if we can record 4K 60 frames per second video. And it seems that we can, and it saves. Alright, so let's check out the slow motion. Here we have the slow motion mode, which seems to be working as well. So far, no issues with this GCam. This could mean that I guess you can just use it without any issues whatsoever. However, of course, I just checked quickly what is working and what is not. And so far, everything is working. If you use this app for slightly longer time, you might actually find something that is not properly working, because of course it is not dedicated for this phone, it is for Poco X8 Pro. But still, it seems that you can actually use the GCam on this phone, so you can give it a try and you can let me know in the comments what you think. Leave a like and subscribe.